Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you guys how to go about inserting or editing an author name in Microsoft Excel. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process here, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump right into it. So we're going to start off by selecting the File tab up in the top left. Select Info on the left panel here. And on the right side, underneath Related People in the Author field, if there's any authors currently listed, you can go ahead and remove them by right-clicking and then selecting Remove User. Or you can just go ahead and just type in an author name in here and hit Enter to save that. And that's all you have to do. You can add multiple authors here as well. So pretty straightforward process, guys. Do hope I was able to help you out. And I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.